What's up, guys? The time has finally come where me and Melissa are taking off from Idaho and heading towards Florida. So today we're just going to drive to Salt Lake, and then tomorrow we'll be in Mesquite just for a night, just to break up the drive so I'm not sitting in this thing for longer than probably 5-6 hours at a time. And then we're gonna be in Sedona, Arizona for a minute, so we'll get some good footage over there. Video the drive. The drive should be beautiful. We're gonna do some mountain biking, hang out, and then after that we'll be heading to Texas.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Say hello.
Good morning.
We made it to Sedona finally after a few days of driving. So what's on today's agenda?
We're gonna go to Talapaki Village. Is that how you say it?
Is that in Pakistan?
No, it's like the Native Americans here.
Oh, cool.
We went to the Coffee Pot restaurant, which is like super famous. It's been here since like the 50s, and like Robert Downey Jr. was there in a photo.
He wasn't actually there while we were there. I was there though. They didn't want to take a photo with me though.
Yeah, they didn't think we were cool enough. But
what are we going to see right now? The cathedral thing?
yeah, we're going to, it's called Chapel on the Hill. And it's like, well, we'll have to just show you guys. It's really pretty church, like carved into the mountain, so.
Something like that. So that's where we're heading now.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay.
bunch of children.
With everybody. What do you think of the church?
It was really beautiful.
It was pretty. It was hot.
Interesting.
It was hot in the sun, and then like as soon as you stood in the shade, it dropped 20 degrees. It's so weird. It's really nice and really beautiful here. So.
You can hear it. You hear the bells?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It's funny. Yep. Now we're standing in line to get ice cream. Cheers. Look at how cool yours is. She got a cupcake that's
It's
like
cactus.
a cactus.
So cute. I have to take a picture of it.
Alright, well we're at the Sedona bike park. I'm gonna go pedal around, check it out, see what there is. Melissa's gonna go hike around.
Yeah, because we can only fit one bike in the back of the
Yeah,
car.
I need to buy a bike rack. Kinda forgot about that part, so try to get one in the next couple states that we stop in, and then we can take both bikes instead of just one crammed into the back of the car. So yeah, go pedal around and check this place out.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show, what's under the subtle smile, you'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She
Got Melissa getting in some yoga. Well, I just finished up. That was pretty fun. The trails are like short, but they're pretty unique, so hopefully I got some good footage of the only 3 trails I did, or 2, or however many it was. If you look to your left, you'll see a blonde lady.
I'm very aware.
What is this place called? Devil's
Bridge.
Devil's Bridge. Let's go check it out. If we had a Jeep, we could just drive across it, but we don't. So we're almost there. Maybe.
I don't know.
I don't know where we're at.
So it's only a mile. Can't be that far.
Right? I don't know how far we've walked so far, but at least it's not that steep. Did you get it? We've been walking for like 40 minutes and we're not even there yet. I thought this was gonna be like a 15-minute hike.
A mile.
We definitely have gone way over a mile. This is taking photos.
Are you narrating this? Oh, crikey, now I gotta get up these rocks.
They just really blowing steam. I keep on driving perfect circles. Wonder if it's worth it.
What'd you think? Was it worth the hike?
This is beautiful, yeah.
Pretty. Devil's Ding Dong is kind of disappointing, but
It's not his ding dong, it's the bridge.
oh.
Dipshit.
Well,
How do they know this is structurally sound?
walking towards the sunset, eh? It's getting dark. Want to give us a ride? Oh, there's that guy and his daughter.
Yeah.
I just wonder where they went.
That sounds
Well, what'd you think? Is it cool?
That was awesome. But I wish you'd done it with me.
I chickened out. I ain't freaking walking across that thing. It's like 1,000 feet off the ground.
Not scary. Not even.
I don't care. I hate heights.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it looked cool from the edge where it's safe.
Just the hike itself was.
If I was
more
on a
like,
snowboard, I would have gone out there, no problem.
It was like rock climbing.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Sunset's pretty. Bet there's too many trees and hills in our way, but pretty cool looking.
We still have like 40 more minutes to walk.
Yeah.
And the sun's gonna go down and we're gonna get eaten by wild coyotes. And
I'll just start barking at them.
no, they hunt in packs.
Well, I'll bark twice. 3 times. Now we can kind of see it.
Yeah. Get past the street. Oh wow. That's
cool.
beautiful. Sunsets just get better and better.